Yo, what's up? This is how to set up the PS5 controller wired or Bluetooth. So wired, you just plug and play and everything should already work, including the gyroscope. Now you can still use everything besides the gyroscope, that only works in wired, but all the other features also work with Bluetooth. But to set it up with Bluetooth, first let me pair it. So I'm going to hold the capture button and the PlayStation button until it goes into pairing mode. There we go, it's blinking. I'm going to go into my Bluetooth setting. And let's connect this controller. Great, it's connected, but you can see the touchpad doesn't work and even the pad colors, there's a bunch of stuff doesn't work. We have to go right here in the Bluetooth setting, go to Info, Game Controller Settings, and then choose Identify. And that's it. Now you have the trackpad working and even the pad colors. If we turn them on, we can see the color change. Nice. I'll catch you next time.